Is AI about to replace millions of software engineers? Recent announcements from tech giants like Meta and Amazon suggest that artificial intelligence could soon code faster and better than human programmers. But is the story really that straightforward, or are we missing something pivotal? While headlines paint a dramatic picture, the reality might surprise you. In this video, we'll uncover what's really happening behind these major predictions, examine the actual impact on software engineers, and explore how the industry is truly evolving. Mark Zuckerberg recently made headlines stating that by 2025, AI could perform tasks equivalent to mid-level software engineers. This isn't just idle speculation. Meta is actively investing significant resources into developing AI capable of independently handling complex coding tasks. Similarly, Amazon sparked industry-wide discussions when internal conversations leaked, suggesting that developers might soon pivot away from traditional coding roles entirely, shifting instead towards innovation, strategic oversight, and creative problem-solving. These outlandish statements naturally raise important questions. Are software engineers on the brink of becoming obsolete, or is this more of a transformation in job responsibilities rather than outright job elimination? To truly understand what's being proposed, we need to examine these statements within a broader context. What exactly do these tech leaders mean when they suggest the end of traditional coding? To gain clarity on these predictions, let's turn to concrete data. AI benchmarks, specifically those measuring coding capabilities, have witnessed extraordinary advancements recently. For example, AI performance on critical benchmarks such as the software engineering (SWE) bench has effectively doubled within the past year alone, leaping from around 38% accuracy to more than 71%. Even more compelling, OpenAI's latest model, O3, now ranks among the top 1% of human coders on competitive coding platforms such as Codeforces. The rapid ascent of AI's coding capabilities undeniably points towards a future where significant workloads could realistically be managed by AI. Yet, an important consideration remains. Does superior benchmark performance inherently indicate that human coders will become redundant, or might it instead highlight the evolving complementary roles humans and AI will play together? Despite these impressive developments, we must address the reality of practical implementation. Deploying sophisticated AI models at a global scale is currently prohibitively expensive. While models like OpenAI's O3 offer groundbreaking capabilities, they demand immense computational power and significant financial investment. To realistically replace large numbers of software engineers, these AI systems need to become significantly more cost-effective. Historically, the widespread adoption of revolutionary technologies has always depended heavily on affordability. Hence, while AI capabilities are advancing rapidly, the economic and logistical barriers might substantially slow down or restrict widespread implementation, especially among smaller companies lacking vast resources. Contrary to widespread concerns over AI-driven job losses, influential organizations such as the World Economic Forum offer a strikingly different perspective. Their recent report indicates that software and application developer roles are expected to be among the fastest-growing job categories by 2030. Initially, this projection might seem paradoxical, but it aligns closely with historical economic patterns where technological advancements frequently create more opportunities than they eliminate. As AI-driven software development becomes faster, cheaper, and more accessible, we enter an unprecedented era of software proliferation. Lower development costs inevitably lead to more startups, more diverse software solutions, and consequently, increased demand for skilled software professionals. Rather than diminishing employment opportunities, AI is poised to catalyze job creation across the industry. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the traditional role of software engineers will undoubtedly transform, but it will not vanish. As routine coding tasks increasingly become AI-managed, new, more critical roles will emerge. Software engineers will shift towards supervising AI-generated code, managing complex system integrations, designing sophisticated software architectures, and addressing unique scenarios and edge cases beyond current AI capabilities. Companies like Apple already recognize these emerging needs and have started hiring developers proficient in advanced AI frameworks such as Crew AI and LangChain. These new positions clearly signal a future where human developers orchestrate, optimize, and manage AI-driven systems, reflecting a shift rather than a decline in the software engineering profession. The rapid rise of AI doesn't spell doom for software engineers. Instead, it heralds the dawn of an exciting new era. Rather than viewing these changes as threats, developers should actively embrace the opportunities AI presents. Now is the perfect moment to expand your skill set, familiarize yourself with cutting-edge AI frameworks, and prepare for innovative roles at the forefront of technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more valuable content on the fast-evolving tech landscape.